And remember, most importantly, that love is a verb. So with that, I'm going to say, let's take some action and get you guys married. Ready? Breathe.
Am I going first or you going first?
I'm gonna go first.
You go first? Okay. Good luck. You got this.
Commitment, my vow to you. I vow to be yours without restriction of time, listening whenever you need an ear, open to new ideas, adventures, and challenges to face together, valuing you and all that you hold dear. Ever your rock to build on, supporting through thick and thin, yours to hold, hug, kiss whenever you need. On wings of timeless love, will we venture forth together, undenied the joy that we provide each other. You are my always and my everything. I love you.
I never would have thought I needed someone in my life, a partner who would stand by my side, tall and proud, as we face the world. And that was until I fell in love with you. This partnership that has been evolving for 10 years has become so completely unique, it feels timeless. With your strength and security, you give me comfort, stability, and the confidence I need to conquer any hurdle in our way. Our lives will ebb and flow, but my constant has and always will be you. You look so handsome.
Gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I'd like to be married to you.
With that, these are a handful of promises I have for you. I promise to support you and to lift you up so you can follow your dreams and aspirations. I promise to create, explore, and stay curious with you by my side. I promise to be silly and make you laugh at every opportune moment. I promise to love you when it hurts and when your anchor needs to be me, and I'll be there always. I promise to nurture our love as the tides change. I promise to hug you with all my might even when we're mad. And also I promise to order my own French fries even though I said I didn't want them. Peter, I love you to the end of the cosmos and back. And I'm so excited to finally be your friend, your love, to the end of time. I will always be yours, and you will always be my Superman.
For those of you who don't know me, I'm Bob. I'm Pete's best friend since we were 2. We have known each other longer than the twins have been on planet Earth.
I'm Morgan, and for those who don't know who I am, I'm the twin. And I've known Brittany for quite a while. Bobby and I have had the pleasure of hanging out and watching these two lovebirds grow their love from the absolute beginning. Together, Britt and Pete have been through thick and the thin.
Pete, Britt, we absolutely love you guys. Here's to all the adventures to come.
Cheers.
Some relationships start at love at first sight. Some is a friendship that catches on fire. But the key is when we nurture that love, it grows, and our hearts mature, and our love deepens. Marriage is a choice we make, a commitment that we make to nurture that love. It's about having the same moral compass, setting goals together, and always being kind and playing fair. It's staying away from words like always and never when you're angry. It's about saying sorry and learning how to forgive. It's about choosing to love each other instead of being right or keeping track of whose turn it is to do what. It's a million little gestures. It's about laughing together, especially when life is hard. It's about being each other's biggest fan, cheering them along. It's the relationship. It's the partnership. It's about being a team. It's realizing that a strong marriage is not about two strong people at the same time. It's about making your love a priority. Please make dates with each other. Smile in the morning. It's just not enough to say you're in love. It's not. It's like everything else in life. It's about taking action. It's how you make each other feel at the end of the day. And it's your willingness to tend and protect your love that you have for each other. Mature couples don't strive to be one. There are two individual people that are looking to make two better people. It's about looking ahead to the next 50 years of your life together and smiling and saying, I love you today, and I will love you forever.